On an offshore yacht, power is never just AC or DC. It's one integrated system. In part 1, we looked at the engineering and base installation. In this episode, we explain how AC, DC and battery storage work together on board of the Enksail Orion 49. During the engineering phase, we document everything in detail. Cable numbers, terminal strips where that cable will be connected to. Let's just grab a cable. For example here, cable number 31. Right at the start, we create a light plan. In that plan, every light and every switch gets a number. And look, there it is, number 31. Next, we create a cable list. And that tells you exactly where each cable comes from and where it goes. For number 31, you can see it's fed from the terminal strip. And here's the fun part. You can immediately verify that on the terminal strip drawing. Look, there's cable 31. So, what's designed on paper is exactly what you see in the build. Now you understand how we document every single cable, the next question is, how do we build up the whole electrical system? Because on a yacht like this, the way we distribute power is just as important as the wiring itself. On this yacht, because of the hybrid propulsion, we use a 48, 24, 12 volt system. With a conventional propulsion, you don't need a 48 volt battery bank. On board of this Enksail Orion, you can see the 48 volt battery bank as a central energy storage. Between 48 volt and 24 volt, we use a DC-DC converter, which continuously feeds and charges the 20 volt system. And then the same principle applies from 24 volt down to 12 volt. And this is the key point, at 48 volts, you can supply heavy loads far more efficiently, which reduces cable size and saves installation space. The energy storage, so the battery banks, are an integral part of this DC system. The Enksail Orion 49 is equipped with lithium-ion batteries, a safe lithium variant. These batteries can charge and discharge quickly and continuously monitor themselves, so the risk of deep discharge or overcharge is effectively eliminated. The battery banks are charged in 3 ways: via shore power, via the diesel engine and via the electric motor, which can also operate as a generator. The 48 volt bank is the heart of the system. We can also use 48 volt directly for heavy consumers such as the windlass and the bow thruster. Battery monitoring and energy management on board are handled by master fault components. For example, here on the chart table you will have an EasyView 5 panel. On the way, the 48 volt bank also feeds the AC system via inverters. Because this Orion is equipped with a high power AC consumer, which is a 4-burner induction cooktop with a 7 kilowatts connected load, the inverter capacity is substantial. For safety, the AC system is protected by RCD devices. An isolation transformer is installed between the shore power connection and the yacht's AC system. The solar panels are mounted on the arch and are largely free from shading from the mast and sails. That keeps shading losses low and allows high output for a large part of the day. At full sun, they produce around 800 watts. This arch also supports the antennas and the davits. What I haven't mentioned yet is the total capacity of our battery banks. So, to be clear, for the 24 volt systems, the total capacity will be 12 kilowatts. There will be 2 batteries here for the 24 volt system. In the gas cabin on starboard side, we have already seen them, there are the 48 volt batteries and they have a total capacity of 24 kilowatts. Finally, the entire DC installation is fully protected. All DC circuits are protected by thermomagnetic circuit breakers in the panel by the chart table. These breakers are numbered. And the yacht is delivered with a complete break list, so everything stays clear and serviceable. And that's exactly what you need when you need to solve something on the way. And now the biggest difference compared to a traditional setup. Why no generator? because the hybrid installation offers in total 15 kilowatts of charging, compared with an alternator on a diesel engine that can only give 2 kilowatts, so that's a big difference. In practice, this means when the diesel is running, the electric motor can operate as a generator and can recharge the 48-volt bank very quickly. If you enjoy these technical deep dives, make sure to subscribe.